Top 3 best morning additions that repair muscle loss fast. Most people think losing muscle happens because they don't eat enough protein. So they eat more chicken, they drink more shakes, they try harder. And the weakness keeps coming back anyway. Here's what nobody tells you. After 60, your muscles don't stop growing because you're not eating enough. They stop growing because they stopped listening. The food is there, but your muscles can't hear the message anymore. That's the part most videos skip. And that's exactly what we're going to fix today. I'm going to show you 3 things you can mix into a simple powder. Something you add to your morning drink, or oatmeal, or yogurt, that gives your muscles the right message at the right time every single day. Stay with me. Number 1. Albumin powder. Most people have never heard of this, but this is the one that starts everything. Your muscles break down a little every single day, even when you rest, even when you do nothing. After 60, your body gets slower at fixing that. And the main reason is that your muscles need a very specific message to start rebuilding. Without that message, the breakdown just keeps winning. When you eat albumin, your body breaks it down fast and sends a strong, clear message to your muscles. Start repairing. That message is what most regular meals never send. Not because the food is bad, just because the amount isn't high enough to get through. Albumin also gives your muscles everything they need to finish the job once it starts. It's not just the message, it's the materials too. Your joints feel it as well. Less stiffness in the morning, and your energy holds up better through the day. 1 to 2 tablespoons in your morning smoothie, oatmeal, or yogurt. That's all. It has almost no taste. Look for a plain version with no added sugar and a short list of ingredients. Have you ever tried adding anything like this to your breakfast? Comment below and tell me what worked for you. Albumin sends your muscles the message they need to start rebuilding. But sending the message isn't enough. Your muscles also need the right materials to do the work. That's where the next one comes in. And it's something you've probably walked past 100 times at the grocery store. The second one might surprise you. Quinoa. Most people think of it as just a fancy grain. But here's what makes it different from almost every other food on the planet. Your muscles need 9 specific things from food to rebuild themselves. 9. And your body can't make any of them on its own. If even one is missing from your meal, the whole rebuilding process stops right there. Think of it like a lock with 9 keys. All 9 have to be there. Even one missing, and the door doesn't open. Quinoa is one of the only plant foods in the world that has all 9 in one place. When you add it alongside albumin, you're not just adding more food. You're making sure every key is on the table. Quinoa also has magnesium in it. Magnesium helps your muscles contract and move properly. A lot of people over 60 are low on it without knowing. That's why some people feel cramps, or tired legs, or just heavy, and never connect it to what they're eating to prepare it. Put half a cup of dry quinoa in a dry pan over low heat for 2 to 3 minutes, no oil, just until it smells a little nutty. Let it cool, then blend it into a fine powder. The toasting step makes it easier on your stomach and easier to blend. 1 tablespoon a day, mixed into the powder, is enough. Quinoa makes sure your muscles have everything they need to finish rebuilding. But there's still one piece missing, something even quinoa can't fully cover. The third ingredient fills that exact gap. Number 3 works in a way the first 2 don't. Amaranth, it's a tiny seed. Looks almost like a grain. And it has something that most foods, including quinoa, are low in. Your muscles need a specific material to turn food into fuel during the day. When this material is too low, your legs feel heavy faster. You get tired from things that used to feel easy. And your muscles take longer to recover, after even light activity. Amaranth has a lot of this material, more than most foods you'd normally eat. It also helps keep your tendons and ligaments strong. Those are the cords that hold your muscles attached to your bones. After 60, keeping those strong is just as important as the muscle itself. When those weaken, your muscle can't do its job safely. Amaranth supports both. Your body absorbs it easily. Most people have no digestive issues with it at all. Toast half a cup of amaranth in the same pan as the quinoa. Same low heat. Same 2 to 3 minutes. Let it cool, then blend it together with the quinoa until you have a fine, even powder. Add the albumin and pulse a few seconds until it's all mixed. Store in a glass jar, in a cool, dry place. Lasts up to 3 weeks. Can't find amaranth near you? Buckwheat works the same way. It's in most grocery stores and does the same job. Amaranth fills the last gap, the one most people never even know is there. Those are the 3 core ingredients, but 2 more are worth knowing about. Not instead of these, but on top of them, if you want to go further. The first is creatine monohydrate. This one doesn't give your muscles building materials, it does something different. It helps your muscles make energy faster when you move, so you get tired less quickly, and you recover faster after walking, climbing stairs, or any physical effort. Studies on people over 60 show it works well. Around 3 grams a day, about half a teaspoon, mixed right into the same powder or any drink. One thing to know: if you take medication for your heart or your kidneys, talk to your doctor first before adding this one. The second is plain, non-fat dry milk. It's cheap, it's in every grocery store, and it keeps protein going into your muscles slowly, over several hours. If albumin is hard to find where you live, non-fat dry milk is a solid backup. Same idea. More available, lower cost. Now, let's put it all together. Albumin sends your muscles the message they need to start rebuilding. Quinoa gives them everything they need to finish the job. Amaranth keeps your tendons and muscles working together, safely, all day long. Creatine helps your muscles make energy faster when you move, and non-fat dry milk keeps a steady flow of protein going through the whole morning. To make the powder, toast the quinoa and amaranth. Let them cool, blend into a fine flour. Add the albumin and mix. Store in a glass jar, 1 tablespoon a day, in your coffee, smoothie, oatmeal, or juice. Your muscles don't rebuild themselves in one big moment. They rebuild a little, every single day. And every morning, you give them what they need. You're making a small deposit into your strength, your balance, your independence. Small things, done every day, add up to something real. If this helped you, subscribe and keep this channel close. Every week, we bring simple, honest information about how to stay strong, stay independent, and take care of your body the natural way. This is the right place for that, and there's a lot more coming.